Hey everyone, I am Adarsh Shukla as a data scientist. In this video, I made a project of to-do list. Here you can see. And in this segment, I am going to introduce you how I made it and how it will work. As you can see, earlier I mentioned task in the square bracket and defined this show menu. And over here, I printed like 4 tasks like in to-do list type. Like number 1 is view task, number 2 add task, number 3 is remove task, and the number 4 is exist. And I'm using while loop where it's true show menu, and you need to choose like input choice an option like 1 to 2 4. You should click any one and choose one, and then use if and elif. If equals to 1, like your view task, print no task found, because earlier you can't see any tasks without adding any task. Then using else for I task in enumerate like task, print f. And you can see here elif choice equals to 2. Then you can see here task input enter a new task. If you click number 2, as I will mention you when I run this project, when I will run this project, you can see here, you can see there, when I will run this project, you can see there options 2, options 3, option 4, everything. And also I choose elif options equals to 3. If elif equals to remove task, then you can see here task number like int input, and it will mention you that you should enter any numbers to remove, which wants to remove from there. And you can see if your 0 is less than task number and less than equals to len of the task, then remove of equals to task dot pop will use for remove this and task number. And then using print, which mention that invalid task number. As you can see that um, if there is no task which less than 0, that will introduce you invalid task number. And then elif choice equals to 4, it will automatically say goodbye to you. Break here, and if you want to say 5 number, 6 number, 7 number, it will also introduce you that it's invalid choice, please try again. As I can say, I run it, and you can see the terminal is opened. Here you can see the to-do list tab, like number 1 is view task, add task, remove task, and 4th one is exist. Like I want to add something. No, I want to view a task. Just press 1, enter. No task found. It will clearly mention you that there is no task in this segment. You just click number 2 and add a new task. I want to write here. This is a Python Bootcamp project. Enter here, and you can see here the task added. This is a Python Bootcamp project. In to-do list, I need to view this added task. Just mention 1, press enter button. You can see the view option. This is a Python Bootcamp project. Yeah, it's working. And if you want to remove these, just press number 3 and enter. Here he mentions that enter task numbers to remove. As you can see, the Python Bootcamp project is on view task. So I will click number 1, press enter, and here you can see this is a Python Bootcamp project was removed. Right over here something else like 8 invalid choice, please try again, which I mentioned earlier at the last. And if you close this project, just click here number 4 and it will say you goodbye. That's all about it. Means my project is working. This is all about I made a project of to-do list. Please connect with me on LinkedIn as well as on GitHub. I will mention my profile in the description. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.